name is Priyam. Today I am gonna present a project named Automatic Morning Alarm. The main purpose of this project is to wake up a person up automatically in the morning by detecting natural sunlight and activating a buzzer. Components that I have used for this project: a house model, an easier pro board, a buzzer, a light sensor. So how it works? During darkness, the light sensor detects no light. The input remains 0, so the buzzer stays off. But when morning comes and sunlight enters the room, the light sensor detects the brightness. The input becomes 1 and the output becomes also 1. As a result, the buzzer turns on, acting as a morning alarm. So let's do it. We turn on the light. So the input becomes 1 and the output becomes also 1. As a result, the buzzer turns on. So this project helps automatically wake up someone using natural sunlight. Thank you everyone. I hope you liked my project.